Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a stylish intro using CapCut. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first open CapCut and create a new project and then import the template you need for this video. I'll include the template link in the description so you can download it easily. And once you have imported the template, you will see it in your project. Now next, let's add the text for your intro. Click on the text option and type the word or phrase you want for your intro. I'll simply type hello for this video. After that, customize your text by selecting the font, color, style and other option to match your desired look. And now, here is an important step, that is to add an animation to your text. Now simply click on animation and then find the swiping right effect. Now set the duration of animation to 1.5 seconds for the best result. And finally align the start of the text with a smoke template you have added and adjust it carefully, making sure everything is perfectly synced. And once you're happy with the alignment, you can simply export your video by clicking on the export button. And that's it. Your intro is ready to use. If this video was helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.